We all know that today kicks off the Memorial Day weekend, and that means many of us will be grilling out or will want to indulge in something that's summertime special. And I can't think of anything that's more fitting than a big juicy burger. And when it's an outrageous one, all the better. We begin by mixing together some ground chuck with a bit of steak sauce and a little salt and pepper. We form this into patties and onto the grill it goes, or we can even do it on a skillet. While these cook, we heat up a package of frozen mac and cheese in the microwave and toast some buns. Once everything is ready, we put lettuce on a roll, top it with our burger, and a big scoop of mac and cheese, followed by a few pickle slices and some crispy bacon. Does this look crazy good or what? And if you're thinking about all those calories, don't worry. This is one of those special occasion burgers. The recipe for our mac and cheese burger is online now, so you can have the most unique burger on the block. And while you're all together this weekend, make sure you take a few extra minutes to remember the men and women who gave of themselves so we can live in freedom. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a ridiculously good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Happy Memorial Day.